Stop. I'm Jillian Leslie, co-founder of MiloTree. I help people change their lives every day by creating successful online businesses. And right now, we just dropped our Black Friday deal. We have never offered anything like this before. I'm talking done for you support from my team and me to make sure you succeed in 2026. Trust me, you don't need another course. You need actual support. So this is our Black Friday bundle. It is the best deal we've ever offered. We are setting up your foundation for you. I'm talking done for you. So our team creates your freebie PDF. We install it on our MiloTree platform, and we send you a 90-day promotional calendar to grow your list. But that's not all. The first 20 people who purchase, guess what? They get a 30-minute bonus coaching call with me. So this is over $1,000 worth of products and services. And right now we are offering it for $309. You're getting VIP done for you support at an incredibly reasonable price. As you know, if you listen to my videos, I am a total straight shooter. So if you want a successful business in 2026, I recommend you jump on this. The spots are filling up. Remember, it's only 20 spots that get free coaching. The price is only available for Black Friday. So click the link below and sign up, and I will see you on the other side.